Hello and welcome to Ask Dr. Gupta. We have discussed the breast lump, its diagnosis, the surgical component of breast cancer treatment. Now we move on and discuss the other components. The first component that is offered after surgery is chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is the most dreaded component of treatment among patients. Interestingly, every patient of breast cancer, almost every patient, they end up getting chemotherapy during one stage or another of their treatment. So please don't try to run from it. Surgery eradicates the cancer from the breast. Chemotherapy takes care of any undetected spread to other organs. Chemotherapy is also given to downstage cancer to bring it back into surgical feasibility limits. It can be exemplified as one lady who was unsuitable for surgery because of extensive skin destruction by breast cancer. She was given chemotherapy for 3 months, and 3 months later, as we can see, she is on operation table. Chemotherapy indeed has side effects, but this aspect of chemotherapy treatment has been discussed very much in detail, and all the myths have been dispelled in our video on selecting best option for cancer treatment, so I will not repeat them. Chemotherapy is given in advanced cancers to keep the cancer under control and to keep the patient's life comfortable. So do not fall for rumors. Please take treatment as is being advised by a specialist. Next component is radiotherapy. Radiotherapy is offered after chemotherapy in cancer patients. Once surgery has been done, chemotherapy has been given, then patients go for radiation. It is given depending on the treatment type and on the stage of the cancer. If the breast has been conserved, then radiotherapy is absolute must. In selected cases, radiotherapy is given even after complete removal of the affected organ. In very advanced breast cancer cases, when the cancer has spread to bones, in those cases, radiotherapy is given to control pain in bones and is also given to prevent their fractures. Sometimes cancer, when it spreads to brain, it needs radiotherapy to prevent convulsions. Next treatment component is targeted therapy. Targeted therapy is offered with or after chemotherapy depending on the suitability. The drugs which are given in breast cancer, the targeted therapy drugs, they have now become relatively affordable. But remember, targeted therapy works in only those patients who have suitable receptors positive in their tumors or in their blood. It is not a magic wand that can improve survival in any cancer. Last discussion will be on hormone therapy. Hormone therapy is the most underrated component of cancer treatment in breast. Hormone sensitive tumors, they respond exceedingly well to hormonal manipulations. Hormone treatment is started after chemotherapy and is given generally for 5 years or more depending on the situation. It is given in the form of tablets which are very cheap and can be comfortably taken at home just like antihypertensive. The hormone manipulation is so effective in suitable tumors that in aged ladies, sometimes when they are unsuitable for any chemotherapy, they are given hormone tablets in the beginning of treatment and they get very good response. So the discussion makes it clear that cancer is curable first. It has excellent cure rates in breast cancer. Affected breast might be safely saved. All this needs complete treatment including all components. The treatment might be long, it might be uncomfortable, will require multiple visits. Please do not get frustrated, do not get exhausted, do complete your treatment. You will forget this like a bad dream. Once the treatment is complete, then you need to get yourself checked for your well-being at regular intervals as being told by your doctor. You will need some tests. These tests will be done mostly once in a year. Please be regular in follow-up. Follow-up is done to screen the opposite breast for anything sinister because the risk factors that were present in the body apply to both the breasts. The purpose of follow-up is also to pick up any unfortunate relapse in treatable stage. So please be regular in this. If breast cancer is picked up early and a specialist is involved in beginning, then rest assured of the excellent results, very good cure rates. Long-term cure is rule. Failures are exception. With all this, I wish you all a very healthy life, and those who are undergoing treatment, I wish them a speedy recovery. Thank you.